Listen, I'm here with Carolina, so you're going to hear a testimony in a second, but when we all went to chiropractic school, when doctors go to med school, we want to help patients and change lives. This is an exact example of why we do what we do, and what we're doing when we're doing it is making people's lives better. This young lady right here, we've been able to really make a huge difference and change her life, and that's why we do what we do. That's why we get up in the morning and we're excited to come to work, because of people like this and having results like this to help people. That's what we do. So thank you for giving us that opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. Bogart.
It's my pleasure.
I appreciate very much to you and your team.
Oh, thank you.
This is something that everybody should sincerely account, because you don't know the change that it can be in your body and mentally also. It's not just only your body, but also mentally. The change and the impact that it can all do on you and the rest of what is around you. So thank you so much, Dr. Bogart.
My pleasure.
You made my day.
You made my week.
Sincerely, because I'm alive. I'm again alive.
That's awesome. That's why we do what we do.